Here is my model resource for week 6 lab. The model serves a purpose to help aid and provide understanding for students on the topic of hyperbolic paraboloid and plane director. A plane director, first of all, is a plane which directs movement of an element along the school lines. So here we can see is our plane director here and our hyperbolic paraboloid. From this model we can see the plan and elevation of the hyperbolic paraboloid. So if I go to the top from the plan, you can see the plan of the hyperbolic paraboloid, and therefore as well, if you come to the front of it, the model, you can see the front elevation of the hyperbolic paraboloid. It also shows the vertical and horizontal traces, which is very important to show a plane director. So this is your vertical trace and your horizontal trace, which is where your plane director is. So there's 3 types of plane director when we're talking about planes of plane directors. So you have your planes of reference, which will show you elements on your XY line. So you'll see your XY line comes from the left and follows all the way through to your right. And then you also have oblique plane and simply inclined plane. I have here done an oblique plane. Okay, so furthermore, the lines of my hyperbolic paraboloid are parallel with the vertical trace, which is very important because all my elements are parallel to the plane director. So here you have your plane director, and if it's done right, you should have your elements should be running alongside your plane director. Okay, which should be in line, it should be parallel with your vertical traces. When we draw an auxiliary view to find an edge view, they all appear parallel. So this is my model and resource for week 6.